Welcome to Product Critique, your trusted source for honest reviews and top product recommendations. In today's video, we're diving into the best Power XL air fryer replacement tray, designed specifically for the Power XL Vortex 7 QT air fryer. If you're looking for a high-quality replacement tray that will elevate your air frying experience, stick around as we break down everything you need to know about this must-have accessory. This replacement tray is made with food-grade stainless steel and boasts a non-stick coating that ensures your food doesn't stick, making cleanup easier than ever. Measuring 10.3 inches by 9.5 inches, it's perfectly designed to fit the Power XL Vortex 7 QT air fryer, but it's also compatible with several other air fryers, including the Emerald Legacy air fryer. The tray features a unique whirlwind airflow design, which enhances heat distribution for even cooking. This means your food will be cooked more uniformly, giving you that perfect crispy texture every time. Whether you're cooking vegetables, chicken wings, pizza, or even steak, this tray has got you covered. One of the standout features of this tray is its user-friendly design. It comes with a handle that makes it easy to remove from the air fryer basket, and it even includes 4 rubber bumpers. These bumpers not only protect your air fryer from scratches but also ensure your tray stays securely in place while cooking. Cleaning this tray is a breeze. It's dishwasher safe, and the non-stick surface ensures that food won't get stuck, so you won't have to scrub away stubborn residue. If you prefer hand washing, simply use a cleaning cloth, and it will be as good as new. In terms of durability, this tray is built to last. Made from high-quality materials, it's designed to withstand the high heat of air frying and continue to perform like new over time. It's the perfect solution for anyone looking to replace a worn-out tray or simply upgrade their air frying setup. So, if you own a Power XL Vortex 7 QT air fryer or a similar model and need a reliable, durable replacement tray, this is the accessory you've been looking for. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next review.